Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Joel D. Welcome to checkpoint number 3. You are doing awesome. You're continuing to take action, and I'm pretty excited about this. So let's get into our checkpoint triangle. We've already researched lucrative niches, lucrative keywords, lucrative competition. We've strategized around that. We have also now built out the foundation or the basic structure of our WordPress blog. So that's exciting. You're on a CMS now that you'll be able to scale your blog when you need to. When you create that content and you want to just keep that ball moving, you have the plugins involved, at least the basic plugins that we need to scale quickly. We have the UX or user experience and design laid out. Our customizations are in place. We're starting to incorporate our brand. You're making progress. It's not probably the prettiest right now. It's lacking good content, but that's what this checkpoint's all about. So we are now at checkpoint number 3, which is this meeting. And in this checkpoint, we're going to talk about what we're doing next. And what we're going to be doing next is creating content and building in our monetization strategies. So we need SEO on-page content. So we're going to base our articles and anything of value of what we want to get traffic from based on our checkpoint number 1 meeting, or what we did after checkpoint number 1, which was finding those lucrative keywords. We're in a lucrative niche. We found out why. We done some research around the keywords, so we know what we need to base our content around. So at this point, we need to get that content, whether it's copy, video, infographics, etc. We're going to need to do that, and we can use freelancers to do this unless you want to do some of this yourself. But I suggest obviously try to do both. I mean, if you love writing, if you love creating graphics, do that at first. It'll help you get started quicker and it'll be less back and forth. But the real goal is to begin to run your blog like a CEO, and you're basically just pulling the levers and you can scale up. So if you want, 5 new pieces of content, you'll know the right path to go get that content without needing to, waste a lot of your time, resources, and energy. So that's what these next modules are about, and they're all going to be optimized, for search engines. It's going to be engaging content. We need to make sure it's great because we want people to engage with it. We want them to share. They want them to repost, comment, like it. Just get that, momentum being built. And we also want to be able to capture our leads because it's so engaging and people want to, hear more from us. We also want to be able to get our email marketing set up. So we're going to go through that as well here, because that's a big part of our monetization strategy. Email is crucial. Content, obviously, you've probably heard content is king. So you need great content for your site, great email content. And then when we incorporate our monetization strategies within that awesome content in copy, that's when we start seeing some returns on our investments, which at this point, our investments are more about, creating awesome content. And then we want to scale that. So that's the biggest part of this this upcoming portion of the course, is getting your content, getting awesome content, being able to capture leads and nurture them, and incorporating your monetization strategies, and then just planning to scale that. So, and what I mean by that is scaling the content creation portion. So we're going to be scaling a lot of things. We want to scale our entire website at all times, meaning we're adding more content frequently, quicker. We're set up from a security standpoint and from a optimization of speed for our website, so we're not bogged down if we do get a lot of traffic. Everything we're doing, we're thinking of scaling and thinking at scale, so we're not at a crossroad where we're not having a good user experience. So if we're bringing in a ton of traffic, we don't want our site to be slow. If we're bringing in a lot of traffic, or we have a lot of monetization set up, we don't want to be hacked. There's a lot of things, and that's what some of those plugins that we talked about are going to account for, and we can add some more as we go along, as soon as we need them. So that's awesome. I'm so happy that you're taking the action. You got this far, you're at checkpoint number 3, and you can see where you are on the checkpoint scale. This is a big one. Let's get some awesome, engaging content. All right, let's get started. Follow along. Reach out if you have any questions. Engage with us on our Facebook group, and keep going. All right, thanks everyone.